for losing virginity in India. You have 1 minute to think over it, and then 10 to 12 minutes of discussion. Ideal age for losing virginity in India.
Good morning, friends. As ideal age for having what is called losing virginity in India, according to me, it's like a man and woman, if they become mature, then they should go for anything they want to do. But it depends upon in our country, in our society, ideal age could be around 16 to 17 years, because at that time the person gets a development of his mind and he can think over what he want to do in his life and what he want to do. I mean to say just an example. A person which is a child will think a toy as a toy and as a girl as a girl. There is no difference between what is a feeling and what is what called as the interpretation is different. So according to me, ideal age should be after 12th or going to the graduation level, when he understand what is correct and what is wrong.
I'm sorry, I beg to differ, because I really feel 16 to 17 is not the perfect age. People are immature, they're teenagers, they don't know, all they know is about infatuation. They get infatuated with the girl, and the first thought that comes into their mind is, losing their virginity.
Okay, but the question itself is ambiguous, seriously speaking, because the question was, what's the ideal age for losing virginity? But going into science, losing virginity doesn't have our own perspective. There are some accidental cases where the people lose virginity.
Yeah,
okay, you cannot point a finger at every relationship. Every relationship is not about having sex. Every relationship is not. It is not about having sex.
We're not saying that.
There are relationships which are based purely on
I
friendship.
myself never feel that.
We're not saying that. When they're talking about losing virginity, all I'm saying is that when the best age is when you get married, man. Wait for it.
Oh no.
That's all. Wait for it, man.
Fine. Point being is, we are talking considerably only in India at this point of time, right? You are talking about.
But the age difference between the people, I mean, the people who marry,
you're saying
so
that
that's different.
people should be mature before they should lose their virginity.
Yes, exactly.
You agree
How
at
to
this
decide
point
if
of time?
somebody is mature? How to
That is
decide
what.
that?
Do you agree at this point of time in India, Western civilization or Western cult, the so-called cult is being followed? Yes,
Yes, sir. Yes, it has been.
Okay, what's the case of
What is
Western
Western culture in basic broad sense? If you just adopt their clothing, their open thinking, you are very. Everybody in the college at this point of time is excited. I'll go outside and have fun.
मैं आपसे ये पूछ रहा है सर, आप क्या ऐसा सोचते हैं कि वर्जिनिटी लूज करना ये प्री प्लान चीज होता है? This is out of moment. This is out of moment. This is out of moment. It can't be pre planned, sir.
Here's a good point. What about child?
What about child marriage?
Yeah.
Everybody's.
Yes.
Let me complete it. Let me complete it. Many people now you are just pointing out one age, whether it is teenage, some are saying it's about 17, some are saying it's about 12, right? We are going into the westernized culture, but still India is at a very good place when it concerned about child marriage.
Yeah, I agree.
So,
At the point of losing virginity of child marriage, it is illegal.
So
what is child marriage?
So are you prohibiting it?
If you stop child marriage, you can stop underage pregnancy.
Are you talking about a point when I say that people should get married and then lose their virginity? Child marriage is not counted as a marriage.
No, the reason
Sir, more important is what is law, what is illegal, what's law. We make law.
No.
So it is not something natural that is.
Listen.
This is
So then I point
You
out
think child marriage is fine?
No, I don't say it's fine.
Guys,
Whatever culture you follow,
Listen
listen to me.
Yes.
Whatever culture you follow, whatever the law is, but virginity is my personal view.
Yeah, I agree.
According to my conscience,
Yes.
I will decide whether to lose, whether to not.
And there is no problem. And there is no problem with the issue of marriage, right? There is no problem with the issue of marriage because India, even in India, where marriage is given prime importance,
Yes.
nowadays there are many people who are going for a live-in relationship,
Yes.
and there is no guarantee that before the marriage they will.
How is live-in relationship related to losing virginity? It is something very
अरे
different.
यार तू ऐसा मत
say that there is
ये मेल है ये फीमेल obviously यार
Hey, dude, see the logic. If you're allowing the adults of this country to vote at 18, form their own government, and you cannot allow them to have sex at 18, why?
He's saying that. He's saying that.
Please don't divert from the topic.
Yeah.
It is about
Yeah.
age, the ideal age, and please let others speak also.
Yes.
He's saying that
There is
the
no,
ideal
according
age
to me,
means a
according to
person
me-
will be voting
Yes.
at the age of 18. and why can't he have sex at 18? That's his question, right?
Yeah.
So my opposition question is, okay, a slightly deviation, Mr. Pranshu.
Yeah.
A person means a man is officially legalized to have a drink in a pub at the age of 21 when he can vote at 18.
Yes.
But he can serve at the age of 16 also, not a child labor, but still he can't have a drink in a pub at 21. Right? So
when you
let me complete.
Listen, we're deviating from the topic.
There is no
We're
reason.
deviating from the topic.
No,
Point
that's
is-
not the
point
point.
is- point is-
I
It will not be something very different from voting.
No. I said, Mr. Pranshu, I said it.
The
I am
18
slightly
age
deviating from the topic.
We are not
But
listening.
you know,
Why is drinking from 21?
Listen,
आप ये speaking
sir,
करता है 18 एज का मैक्सिमम
Speak one at a time, please.
तो 18 की
Speak one
एज
at a time,
आपकी सफिशिएंट है कि आप 18 के अबव जब भी आपको लगता है, जब भी आपको मोमेंट मिलता है, आप अपनी वर्जिनिटी लूज कर सकते हैं।
But it's not
Let me tell you one thing. Idle age is not something called as idle. It depends on one person.
Legal age. They can call it legal age.
Maturity. I can tell you.
One person.
When a person is in 12, he can be much mature than a person who is working in the office.
But you need a legal age. You need a legal age.
see, when he's saying the legal age, how many of the people,
Listen. One at a time.
how many of the
Give a
people
point.
accept that? See, this person, excuse me.
Whatever it is.
You are saying that there need to be a legal age for virginity, right? So
Yeah.
how many of the people who lost virginity will openly accept that I lost virginity?
It is not about people accepting. It is about watching or legal.
Tell me one thing. Why does losing virginity is such a big issue in India?
No, it's not.
People lose virginity. People lose virginity in India before whatever time. But the
Yes.
fact is, they are very scared to accept it.
Yes.
Because it is
So
social.
there is no legalization. That's
No,
all.
there should be legalization.
If you pretext in India is very strong. If you sit here and tell that I had sex, 5 different people will think 5 different
Yes.
things about you, and you will be scared of it.
Yes.
That's why you will be
Yeah,
scared to
but
accept
That's why
it.
I'm saying that.
The point is what about the age?
The age is doesn't matter a lot. You should be mature enough.
Yes.
Yeah, that's the point. That's the point.
You are trying to put the responsibility of a 16-year-old to decide if he is mature or if she is mature.
You cannot.
But then we are not talking to
The legal aspect is the legal aspect is
age in India.
no.
सर जब तक
There is a legal conversation side.
सर जब तक आप ये लीगल एज बनाते रहेंगे ना, तब तक ये जो आउट ऑफ मोमेंट जो भी होता है ये होगा और आदमी एक्सेप्ट नहीं करेगा।
Murders don't stop. That does not mean that we destroy the law for murder.
Listen to my question.
The point of legality is to push back. The point.
Just one question. You are saying that it needs to be legalized, right? So what's your age of legalization?
18. If you can trust a person with voting, you can trust him with himself.
18 is the number, right?
Yeah.
So if a person feels, or if a student feels at the age of 16, I am mature enough to do whatever I can
Dude,
regarding
if a person feels listen to me first, just a second. If you think that you want to murder someone today, you won't stop because there is a law. If someone wants to do something and there is a law, they won't stop. There is no law.
जिसके पेरेंट्स अभी नहीं है, उसके ऊपर पूरी जिम्मेदारी है।
See, he is not taking another life. He is just enjoying this life.
भाई बच्चे को हर
doesn't come with the age.
Biological maturity. One thing, important thing is you should be biologically mature to have sex.
Acha, listen. You cannot generalize everyone is mature at 16. How can you generalize that? No, you need an overall consensus.
No, a human
ऐसा नहीं है। अबे सुन,
अरे listen.
12 हो गया, यार I got a puberty.
People have PMP, premature puberty. People they hit puberty at the age of 6. But you can't put the age at 16.
These are the red
This is not a general case. For a general case, you need an 18 years of age.
There is no point having a caucus around here. कोई किसी की बात नहीं सुनेगा तो किसी को कुछ समझ आएगा.
My point is only one. If love exists between people and they are mature enough to understand that they love each other, they can lose their virginity.
But sex doesn't always
Depends
happen.
upon
How
the
can
condition
you?
you are in. Can I say something?
Fine, point.
When she's talking about love, you know, when two teenagers they fall in love with each other,
not necessarily
they
love,
just
infatuation.
think about having sex. That's all.
That is not the point.
No.
There are no relationships.
I don't deny that.
You're right. That is the point.
I agree with that. 80%.
That is not even.
80%
No. Where the statistics from?
We are teenagers and we know our friends and we know our.
So,
Okay.
I have 95% of them don't say that love is about sex.
My question, you said yes, and many of my friends do that. So how many? Just repeat the question.
I am a teenager and my friends say. I don't know my friends say that it's not about sex.
उससे बंदे को हर टाइम लगता है जब वो 14 के ऊपर होता है बंदे को हर टाइम लगता है कि वो मैच्योर हो चुका है. वो प्यार करता है उसे लगता है वो बिल्कुल मैच्योर हो चुका है. वो सेक्स करने जाता है उसे लगता है वो पूरा मैच्योर हो चुका है. बट मतलब एक्चुअली मैच्योरिटी उसे आती 18 के बाद ही है.
Love for me.
What is that? 17 to 64.
So they are saying that वो प्यार करता है and stuff, then he has the urges to have sex.
I want to say
When
that.
I said about
Love is something
When you are
No, listen. You will say that you will not need the general age. Listen.
If it's about it.
Listening is good. You need the general age. Why? Because there is a government and let's pause for 5 seconds.
Don't pause.
You want to discuss more?
No.
So I want to say something.
Let
So
me speak
I
now.
say that love is something when you try and understand the person.
Come on, love is not related to virginity.
अरे यार love can be other यार how can you love can be you are giving
Listen to the lady, please.
ladies first.
Yeah.
I say that love is not related to sex. When you start understanding the person and then you get into the sex relationship,
You get physically
that
attracted
is known
to
as
it.
maturity.
Exactly.
Then you
Listen,
maturity.
then we are talking about
How can somebody you said that is maturity.
what logic? I'm trying to physical attraction.
Can I say something, please? When you said that two people they are now start understanding each other.
जब किसी की फल नहीं लगे ना
And you just ask them,
Love is not
do you understand the other person?
Yeah.
Why say yes or no? You tell me yes.
You show me that you don't give me personal views or personal studies. It's not about personal studies.
ये anti बस हो गया
थोड़ा कंक्लूड कर दो थोड़ा एक पॉइंट
One by one. Whether there should be an ideal age set in India to
No,
have sex.
no.
and please explain it.
No.
Okay, two points to support your thinking. Just 2 points. Not elaborate it.
छोटा version and fast, everyone just
I just say that there need not be any generalized age to lose virginity in India. The reason is we in India are staying in a communal harmony where people regarding sex and regarding virginity have various feelings and various understandings. First point.
Yes.
And second point, all this mix is already affected by the westernized culture, another communal harmony, so a lot more mix.
And virginity is different about love and lust.
See, this can be a very valid reaction. Let me complete. This is a very big chemical reaction, so we can't just bring out one conclusion, which means one particular digit, that's it.
Awesome.
1 minute. एक point.
एक बारी एक करके आप सब बता दो अपना conclusion.
With me is when I talk about when I talk about understanding does not only mean that you go and ask the person that do you understand me, you say yes. No, understanding means when you're in a long distance relationship, then also you're not getting attracted to another.
Start to the point.
Excuse me. I've heard of excuse me.
The discussion is over.
This was supposed to be a discussion, but it was supposed to be a fight. आपने थोड़े personal अंदर रखो यार, मतलब इतना कोई झगड़ता है क्या?
Next topic.
Obviously,
Next topic.
One minute.
you should not be interrupting people when they are speaking.
I want it to be clear. I have a point. I want it to be cleared from her. I'm asking her why. She
is just concluding. There is no argument.
It's a personal view. There is no argument. It's a personal point.
She's saying.
Just say your point.
She is.
No, just say your point. Don't argue with her. Just say your point.
That to know a person fully, you have to maintain a long distance relationship.
Yeah, that's all.
She's saying long distance relationship also. She's saying they are in long distance relationship also, and it's not about sex in long distance relationship.
What is long distance? What is the
I am in Mumbai. Don't start the discussion again, please.
अबे वो बोल रहा है यार, ओनर बोल रहा है.
Finally,
you have a logic देख लो क्या होगा? This is going on YouTube. What the fuck are you saying? What is he a hit? What's wrong with you? Sorry, this will be the hit. You get it. I don't want any. Not even 5 seconds. Stop it.
Okay,
you get the maximum of views. I don't want maximum of views.
1 minute.
Stop it. Conclusions. No. I'm sorry. No.
Stop it and stop it.
Indian culture में opportunity अपनी मजबूरी जाती है.
सही है सर, बोला कर.
सब लोग खड़े हो.
तो
और आगे हम डिस्कशन नहीं कर रहे, बस ठीक है?
नहीं हम करेंगे.
लाइव डिस्कशन. ओके.
अरे मेरे को कुछ नहीं बता रहे थे. कुछ दिमाग है मार दिया. एक बात